Hey guys, welcome on Erratic Coder. In this video, we are going to discuss how to restore path variable in Linux. So if you are watching this video, you might have deleted the path variable from bash file or you have incorrectly set the path variable there. And now you are not able to access some basic command also. So here I am going to tell you two ways that might solve your problem. If because of path variable you are getting the issue, you can get the default bash file, and from this path you can get the default bash file from the scale directory. You can simply copy the bash file from this directory and paste it to the user directory. And here is the command you can use to copy the bash file from the scale directory, and we'll be pasting this one to user directory. But at some cases you might be getting permission error. Now, in that case, you can't get the default bash file, but you can make the changes in the existing one. Now, as in second option, we will be changing the path variable that we have incorrectly set. Generally, to open any file and to make any changes, we use vi or the nano command, but as you have deleted the path variable, you won't be able to use these commands. So using vi or nano command in a basic way is not possible. Now the question is, how can we use these commands to change the bash file or to change the path variable? Here is the way we can use these commands by following the bin directory. So in bin directory, you will be having the vi or nano command. With this way, you can simply open the file, enable the editor mode, and make the changes that will change the path variable according to your requirement, and it will work. Try these two ways and comment below if it helps you. Thank you.